Hello and welcome back to another video. So this is our first video where we are going to create a new Google Cloud Platform accounts. So now let's see how we can create a Google Cloud account. So you need to go to a Google free account page which you can access by cloud.google.com/free. Right, so it will open up the detailed information about the free tier accounts. So in this page you can find the information regarding what are the services which are always free. So it contains lots of information regarding all the products. You can go through it. It's very easy to find all the services which are listed here, right? And it is worth mentioning the new customer will also get a $300 to spend on Google Cloud Platform product for your first 12 months. Here we just need to click get started for a free button, and it will ask you for to log in, and you should have a Google account or a Gmail account rather to sign up for it, right? So I have already created one dummy account, so I'm just quickly go and log in into that account. So in this page you have to select your country and accept the term of services, and it is worth looking at this instruction which is provided by the Google, right? So access to all the cloud products. So there is no limitation for the products. You can access all the services provided by the Google Cloud, and you will get a $300 credit for free for 12 months. And this is very important. No auto charges after free trial ends. We ask you for your credit card details to make sure that you are not a robot, right? You won't be charged unless you manually upgrade to the paid account. It is very clear. So suppose you have created account today, and after 12 months your account will be automatically get suspended, right? If you want to use that account continuously, you have to activate or upgrade your account to paid account manually. I will click in the continue button. Okay, so in this page it asks you for some information related to customer info, tax information, name and addresses, and all these things. So in account type there is two options, individual and business. If you are a student or want to create an account for free to learn Google Cloud Platform, it is advisable to use individual option. Or if you are creating an account for a business purpose, you have to choose a business option here. So I'm creating it for my personal use, so I am selecting individual option over there, right? And here it asks you for the tax information. In this field you get two option, registered individual and unregistered individual. So for now I will use the unregistered individual, and it asks you for the PAN detail and TAN details, which is completely optional. And then next field you have to fill up name, address to city, postcode and state, right? So let's quickly go and fill some details. So I have filled up the name, address, all the fields required here, and phone number is optional. If you need to provide that phone number, you can provide it. So I will just quickly go and fill out my credit card details. So it is asking me for to complete the transaction, right? So in order to validate, Google is going to charge you 1 rupee, and it will credit back to your account within 1 or 2 days. So I will just click continue. Now my billing is setting up. As soon as I complete the transaction, I will see this welcome page. I will just click got it. To see your $300 credit to your account, you need to go to this hamburger sign, click on it, and here you can see there is a billing option, right? So you need to click here. Here you can see 22,135 rupees are credited to my account, and you can see there is 365 days are remaining. So these are the very simple steps to create a free Google Cloud Platform account with $300. Quickly want to mention one thing. So here you can also see you will not be billed during your free trial. To keep your project running after the free trial has finished, upgrade to the paid account, right? So here is the upgrade button. You have to use it, and you have to do it manually. If you are not going to upgrade your account, all the resources from the Google Cloud will be destroyed after 12 months, right? So I'm not going to do that. So that is how you create a free account with the Google Cloud Platform. So let me know if you have any question, concern or doubts in the comment section. So all the social media links are provided in the description below. You can go and check it out. So that's it from this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.